Hi guys, Shane from MSA 4x4 here. Just a quick update on my young fella's GQ Patrol. He's coming up for his P-plate soon. He's wanted one of these GQs forever, so we've got him a nice tidy spec. We've had it all repainted. This one's got the TB42 petrol engine in it, which I'm really happy for a P-plater. It should be not too quick for him. But what we've done is we've gone through and just tidied up a heap of stuff in the engine bay here. The Troller part in Melbourne have been absolutely incredible. You can get a whole heap of new stuff for these models still. So we've gone through and replaced all the radiator shroud, the hoses, got a genuine radiator in there. We put a new aircon condenser in, gone through and blacked out everything up the front. Just tidied it up, new washer bottles, all that sort of stuff, and it looks really, really cool. We're now taking it up to Custom Off-Grid Solutions where they're going to do all the electronics. Got an ARB small battery tray that's going to go up near the firewall up here for a second starting battery or an auxiliary battery, whichever we choose. So yeah, this is coming on really nicely. It's all really clean. We put all new belts and hoses and everything down in there, so it's all good to go. It should give him no problems whatsoever. And we'll give you an update shortly on the rest of the vehicle and how it's going.